What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. Welcome to What's in the Shop. We've been doing this for years now. Thank you for tuning in. We'll start right here with the GT3 RS. Seen this for a couple of weeks probably. I just picked this thing up a couple of weeks ago, and it's finally getting wrapped. Can't drive it right now in Pennsylvania. There's lots of snow that you'll see in a minute, but excited to get this thing on a track. Full 10 mil PPF wrap is going down on this. Windshield's already protected. The windows are tinted. Ceramic coating it with an 8-year premium coating. So everything that we sell, it's the first thing that I do to my own personal cars. I believe in the stuff that we do. Right behind John here is an Audi SQ8 Stealth Wrap. These cars are pretty awesome SUVs to begin with. With Stealth, it looks incredible. Aaron and Max just do such an unbelievably good job. I know what I'm looking for. I'm a foot away from it, and the thing looks like paint. It's perfect. These guys are very good at what they do. SRT Durango. This one's getting PPF on the whole front end as well as the rocker panels. It's what we call our track package. We're doing this in 10 mil as well, just like the GT3. 10 mil is just a little bit thicker than the standard 8 mil product. Not to be confused with millimeters. Mils is thousandths of an inch. People ask us all the time for that 10 millimeter paint protection film. This stuff would be a centimeter thick. Right beside it, we have a Trans Am. You guys have probably seen this for the last couple weeks. It's getting a full PPF wrap also. All of this has to be custom cut. There's no patterns for this. It takes a very skilled technician, but in the hands of that technician, the wrap can look really, really good. And so Aaron has been working on this, doing an awesome job as always. Behind it, we get a lot of Teslas, but not a lot of Model X's. That's what this is, getting polished and coated. A couple things, we polish every car that we coat, basically do a paint correction on them. And you can see that we tape off the plastics. He doesn't tape the whole car off at one time like some people do, but he always makes sure that that plastic is taped on every panel before he starts polishing. The reason for that is we just don't want to get any of that polish on the plastic. And in the wash bay, you guys might remember this car. This is a Saturn Sky Aperta. They did not make that from the factory. This belongs to our friend Wes. One day he decided to cut the roof off the thing and drop an LS under the hood. I'm sure this thing is a blast, like a 500 horsepower go-kart. We're doing a vinyl wrap, and we're doing door jambs as well. So we wrapped this in pink chrome once, and he just got sick of pink chrome, and he's changing it to satin black. So that's what we're doing with this. Doors are off, doing all the jams, back sides of the doors. It's going to look like a paint job when it's done, but it is a lot of work to achieve results like that. In the tint bay, we have a Z71 Silverado. We tinted the front windows, and we're pulling it back in to knock out the visor across the top of the windshield. And outside, we only have one car here at Latrobe hanging out. So we have a Bronco Raptor. These are cool. Got PPF on the hood, the rocker panels, and I think the rear fender flare. And it's ready to go home. Let's check in with Pittsburgh and maybe South Florida if they have time.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. In the showroom is a brand new 2025 Tesla Model Y. This got a full 10 mil paint protection film wrap and an 8-year coating on the entire vehicle. We also tinted the 2 front windows in 20% to match the factory tint. It's White Truck Day at Blackout Tinting. We have 2 vehicles for artistic lawn care, one getting full tint, one getting front tint. And our friends at Schultz Ford sent us a vehicle to get the 2 front windows to match the factory tint. One of our completed jobs in the week is this Jeep Grand Cherokee. This got a track package and paint protection film, polished out the black paint, which had a fair amount of wear and tear on it. So did a full paint correction on the vehicle and did a 4-year coating. Behind me, we got Jason doing some final touches on this annual checkup. This got a ceramic coating this time last year, so it's due for its annual checkup. And while it's in the shop, Cole was doing a visor on it to make sure driving towards the sun is a bit more bearable. Behind me is a 2025 BMW M340. This is now white, obviously. It's soon to be pink gold. So it's going from white to pink, also getting a full 8 mil PPF wrap on it. Coated some tint on it yesterday, 5% Prime XR side windows and back window. In the PPF bay, we have 2 vehicles in for full wraps. Up on the lift is a Cadillac Escalade. It's getting a full body wrap, but the entire front of the vehicle and the back bumper are getting 10 mil paint protection film. We're also coating the entire vehicle in our 4-year ceramic coating. The second vehicle back here is a Porsche 911. This one is getting a full 10 mil paint protection film wrap. We're also adding on windshield protection film, an 8-year coating, and tint to the side windows and the back window. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Hey guys, it's Kayla here with Blackout Tinting South Florida, and today I'm going to be showing you what's in the shop, so come on.
This is a 2024 Honda CR-V. This customer brought this vehicle in today to receive tint on her taillights. Now we heat shrink it to the film, and then Alfredo goes in with a knife and carefully cuts it to the car. This is a 2024 Tesla Model Y. This customer came in through our partnership with Tesla. Now today we are tinting the two front windows in 20% with the Prime XR Plus, and then we are going in on the windshield with 55% with the XR Plus as well. This is our tinter Alfredo. He's currently heat shrinking the film to the windshield. It's important to mold it so it can fit properly and give us the most accurate results when we install it. This is a brand new 2025 Ram 1500. This customer brought this vehicle in today to receive the front two window tint in the Prime XR Plus. This is a 2021 Lamborghini Urus. This customer is a very good friend of our boss's. He already had the vehicle protected. Now we're doing a PPF repair on the front bumper and headlights today. We just finished washing it. Now here is Amari wiping it down and getting ready to prep it for the PPF.